All right, so this is gonna be a little bit different than my other videos. A lot of those are focused on fitness, Orange Theory fitness, things like that. In this one, my son and I decided that we needed a drone, or I decided I really wanted a drone, and I talked my son into, you know, hanging out with me and flying the thing. So it wasn't too hard to convince him. He was pretty into the idea, and I might have let him fly it as well, but we won't tell anybody. In doing some research, I have looked at the DJI Mavic, some other ones, and just been kind of waiting for the right one, and you know, the money. The money is kind of key. And did a lot of research, waited a long time, and bought the DJI Mavic Air, which is one of the newer drones that came out probably a month or two ago. And so far I'm loving it. I was kind of looking for something that would be somewhat dummy proof, I hate to say. Basically, I didn't want to lose the thing. And so far so good. Gonna kind of show you here a little unboxing, although my son says we didn't do it right because we didn't finish it. And anyways, it is what it is. Hope you guys will enjoy. This is probably more just video of a neighborhood than I'll show in the future. Just kind of learn how to fly the thing, you know, how it works, and hoping to use it on some trips here in our life. I think it'll be fun to kind of document some things. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah. So Colson, what are we doing here?
We're unboxing the Mavic Pro.
No, it's called
Mavic
Mavic what?
Air.
Mavic Air, and what's your shirt say?
Epic unboxing.
Epic unboxing? Is this going to be an epic unboxing?
Yes.
All right. All right. Gentle.